Introvert.
Positive.
He is introvert.
He's an introvert.
He is very intelligent, my friend.
Okay. And are you extrovert?
Yes.
Okay, okay. How are you doing?
I am fine. And you?
I'm doing good too. Where are you right now?
Now I am on the hill, which is situated near my village.
Okay, are you trekking
Uh,
on a morning walk?
yes, I keep coming every day on the hill.
Okay, lovely, lovely. And where are you speaking from?
I am speaking from Bihar state.
Bihar state. Where in Bihar?
Do you know Bodh Gaya?
Bodh Gaya, yes.
Yeah, Bodh Gaya famous in the world.
Hmm.
Yes.
Speaking from Bodh Gaya?
What, madam?
You're speaking from Bodh Gaya?
Yes, right.
Yes, amazing. Okay. So, I think this is the first session on English Yari, right?
Yes, I have connected with you first time on this application.
Yes. Are you excited for starting your learning journey?
Yes, I'm very excited. That's why I connected with you.
Amazing. Okay, so I'll give a small introduction about myself also. So, as you can see, my name is Siona and I'm speaking from Pune, Maharashtra. And I've been teaching English for quite some time now. It's been 3 to 4 years. At the same time, I work as a psychologist. It's nice to meet you.
Okay, nice to meet.
Can you,
Yes, yes.
yeah, likewise. So, can you give me introduction about yourself? What do you do?
Yes, of course. I am a student of BA, and now I am studying in BA semester 3, and I go to every day in a school, and also I work to teach to children, and I do nothing because now I am studying and I am learning this English language. That's all.
Okay, thank you. So, you are studying right now or you're working right now?
I'm doing both thing because
Both things.
yes, I'm a student, but in which school I go to every day, that school is you can say I support to children, because in that school from childhood to till now I have achieved a lot of knowledge. That's why I'm supporting to children, because that school is constructed by South Korea country. That's why
Okay.
yes.
Okay, so the South Korean organization made that school over there.
Yes, yes. So only I get money 2,500 every.
Every month?
Yes.
Okay. So are you doing part-time or full-time?
Part time.
Part-time. Okay, okay. Cool. And can you tell me more about, why have you joined English Ari? Like what challenges are you facing?
I think I have a lot of knowledge related to English, but I'm not fluent like you. That's why I want to learn, and I want to become fluent more and more, and then I want to talk with foreigner and with another person in India, and also I want to travel here and there in the India.
Okay, in India.
Yes.
Okay. So right now, when you speak in English, where all do you think you get stuck? Like, when I'm speaking, where all do you think you get stuck?
What, madam? Repeat again. Sorry.
Yeah, I'm saying when you are speaking right nowadays, right, in English,
Yes.
where all do you feel, yeah, I'm getting stuck? I'm not getting what to say after this.
Because when I want to speak fluent, I understand everything, but when I want to speak fluent, that time some word don't come in my mind
Okay.
like this. So I will have to learn more and more spelling meaning.
Okay.
He is my friend. who is watching.
Hello. Lovely. Okay. So you get stuck when it comes to finding words when you have to speak, right? At the same time, do you think grammar is an issue also?
Yes, I know about grammar very well.
You have learned grammar.
Yes,
Do you think when you speak, you are able to make the sentences in the right grammar?
uh, yes, I speak right grammar every time, but sometime I mistake.
I make mistakes.
Yes, sorry, I make mistake.
Yes. Okay. So what I am understanding is that your main reason is to communicate with people in professional as well as personal settings, right? Like you want to speak with other people, even foreigners. Maybe when you start working, you'll have to use English also, right? When you're talking to your clients or your managers and peers, colleagues. At the same time, when you want to travel around, you want to also talk to people, the localites and everything, right?
Yes, right.
Yeah. And something we can work on is like the hesitation of talking to people, or how we can ask better questions, right? Or how we can frame our sentences much better. That's something we can work on. Okay.
Okay.
Other than that, do you consider yourself a very expressive person or very reserved when you try to talk to people?
Sorry, madam, repeat again. I don't get you.
You didn't get the question? Okay, no worries. I said, do you consider yourself a very expressive person, जो सबसे बात करेगा, or very reserved person while speaking with other people?
Are you asking with me that
Yeah.
I don't talk every day because I don't have any friends who know English.
English, not only English, but आपके जो फ्रेंड सर्कल्स रहेंगे ना, फ्रेंड सोशल सर्कल्स जो भी आप जिनके साथ भी आप हैंग आउट करते हो, या आप कोई नया इंसान ढूंढते हो, लाइक टू टॉक टू व्हाटएवर, आप कॉन्वर्सेशन स्टार्ट करते हो कि आप वेट करते हो कि दूसरा इंसान कॉन्वर्सेशन स्टार्ट करे? आप शाय हो व्हेन यू आर इन पब्लिक विद पीपल, और आप बहुत एक्सट्रोवर्टेड हो, आप सबसे बात करते हो?
Sometime I keep talking with anyone people in a school, and also himself I keep learning and this language, and also now I'm with my friend. He is also know English, and he is my friend. He support every time, and I talk with him in English.
That's good.
So he is also know very well.
So, but you did not answer my question. Like, are you do you know the meaning behind introvert and extrovert?
Extrovert.
Introvert or extrovert?
Introvert, extrovert. I don't know, madam. Sorry.
Introvert is someone जो किसी से बात नहीं करता है, like
Oh.
दूसरे इंसान आके उनसे बात करते हैं, like वो अपने कोने में बैठे रहते हैं, right? वो ज्यादा लोगों से बात नहीं करते हैं. They like to be alone, right? Or spend time alone. But an extrovert is a person जो आप देखोगे कि सबसे जाके बात करते हैं, right?
Yes.
Introvert उससे भी जाके बात करेगा, सबसे जाके बात करेगा, right? And is very open to expressing their opinion. हर जगह अपना ओपिनियन देते रहेंगे.
Okay. Thank you, madam.
He is introvert. He is introvert.
Introvert.
He is very intelligent, my friend.
And are you extrovert?
Yes.
Okay, got it. Okay, ठीक है. So can you tell me a little bit more about your work? आप जो स्कूल में काम करते हो, can you give me more details about what exactly do you do there?
Okay, absolutely, I will tell you. First of all, I get up in the morning, then I got ready, and then After getting ready, I will go to in a school. Then I will prayer with children. Then I will go to in classroom, and I start to teach to children. Then after that, uh, we will take lunch, and then uh, after some what can I say, sorry, after some time,
Free time.
uh, around 30 minutes, we will we will walk here and there and play with friends. Then again, we will start to teach children in the classroom. Af-
So I want you to explain not your daily routine, but what exactly do you do in the school? आप क्या सिखाते हो बच्चों को? कैसे सिखाते हो बच्चों को? I want that detail.
oh,
Okay?
so I will tell you in English or Hindi.
In English.
Okay, because we are learning English, that's why.
Are you teaching English?
Yes, I also teach English, but in my school they all are
Hindi
not
medium.
interested that children is only for English, Hindi medium student.
Okay.
That's why.
So they're not interested in learning English.
Yes, when I want to talk with them, then all children laugh. My sir keep speaking every day English language, and we don't know, what is he speaking.
Because
Okay.
because that our school is village side.
Okay. So there is not a lot of exposure, you would say, the kids get.
Sorry, madam, repeat again.
So there is not a lot of exposure to like resources, English resources and everything for bettering your English.
Yes, there is not any resource. Only I keep learning by social media on YouTube.
Okay, yeah. YouTube is a good tool.
Yes,
Everything you want is there on YouTube. You can use it for children. You can use storytelling, right? Different books. There is audio books are there, right? You can use it for listening skills. For speaking skills, you can give them some kind of questions. Acha, tell me about your favorite movie or favorite TV show, something like that, right? Asking them things that they are interested in, right? For example,
Yes.
right now if I ask you a question about your work, because you are passionate about what you do, right? So you might want to talk about your work more, right? If I randomly ask you about pollution in Delhi, you will not answer, no. You are not interested in Delhi ka pollution. So,
yes,
depending
yes,
upon the topic that people are interested in, ask them that question so they want to speak more.
yes.
Okay, does that make sense?
What, madam?
You didn't understand what I said.
Yes, I understand all, but in the last, sense I don't know. Sense means I don't.
Okay. I said, does it make sense? क्या ये sense बनता है जो मैंने अभी बोला है?
Yes, I can make this sentence.
Yeah. So basically, one more thing that I've observed is कि when you're making any kind of statement, any kind of answer you're giving, there is a format you can follow. Okay. First is statement, example, and reason. Okay. So for example, if I tell you that I prefer to plan everything in advance, I don't like spontaneous plan. मैं सब चीज प्लान करके करना पसंद करती हूँ, not spontaneously go for a travel trip or something else, right? So that is my statement. I prefer to plan everything in advance. अब I have to give an example. कि for example, before exams, I always make a proper timetable and follow it.
Yes.
अभी example दे दिया. Now I have to give reason. Why? Because planning helps me stay calm and avoid last minute stress. So this gives a full answer to the question, right? So any answer you try to give, okay, which shouldn't be one sentence. It should have, some meaning, some context. So, if I ask you a question about, what do you do on weekends? Right? How do you spend your weekends? आप weekends पे क्या करते हो? So, how will you answer that question?
Oh, so now I will tell you about weekend.
Yeah.
Weekend your means on Sunday.
Saturday Sunday को weekend बोलते हैं. तो आप weekends पे Saturday Sunday क्या करते हो?
Sorry. Only I get holiday on Sunday.
Okay.
So,
So you say I only get holiday on Sundays. हर Sunday आपको holiday मिलता है ना, तो आप S डालो Sundays.
okay. Sundays.
हाँ.
Oh,
I only get holiday on Sundays.
I only get holiday on Sundays, right?
And on Sundays what do I do?
On Sundays I do nothing. Only I keep working related to wood. I cut wood for wood. W-O-O-D, wood.
Lakdi.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
I cut wood for fire at my home, and also I walk, and apart from this I don't have work.
Okay, you don't go out with your friends or anything?
Yes, on some Sundays I will go when we will make plans for walk somewhere.
Okay. Yeah. So you can say on Sundays I usually, right? Mostly,
Yes.
usually, मतलब कि frequently, आप हमेशा 80% of the time, right? So usually और mostly तब use कर सकते हैं. I do nothing. I cut wood, right? और अभी बताना आपको for what? Wood for fire आपने बोला ना?
Yes.
For fire, for stock. No, cut wood and keep it in stock for the whole week. ठीक है, अगर आप वुड सिर्फ संडे को काटते हो तो मतलब कि आप एक पूरे हफ्ते के लिए रख रहे हो ना वुड.
Yes.
So you can say I cut wood for fire and keep the rest for stock. Okay.
Yes.
Keep it in stock. ठीक है. And then you can say other than that, इसके अलावा, other than that, I also do what? I go for walking. And what else do you do?
And now I'm not I'm not remember. Not remember now.
No worries. So maybe you watch TV or anything?
I'm not interested in watching TV.
TV? Okay.
Only I'm interested cartoon video related to English.
Okay, lovely. So you watched maybe videos on your phone, right?
Yes.
Or different kinds of things. So you can say that, Sundays ko I'll sit for some time. Thode time ke liye I'll sit and, watch something on my phone related to English.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, you can say that. So now you have to tell me the statement, tell me an example, right? And then a reason. Okay. This is the formula, SER, statement, example, reason. This is the formula you have to use whenever you are telling an answer.
Yes, madam. I will do, and I will follow your matter every day.
Okay, cool. Yeah. Other than that, let me see.
What, madam?
Just 1 second, yeah. So, can you tell me if you are a person who finish a task very early और आप last moment के लिए wait करते हैं वो काम खत्म करने के लिए?
Oh. What are you asking, madam, with me? Sorry.
Okay.
I can't understand.
I'm asking, when you have a task, आपको कोई task दिया है, right? तो do you finish it early or at the last moment?
Oh, it is depends on work task, how that task. So according that task, I can finish.
Okay. If you're interested in the task, you will finish it early.
Yes,
If you don't like the task, then you will take your own sweet time,
yes, right.
right? So ये बताना है आपको ऐसा.
Okay. So
Okay.
you ask something, anything else?
Okay. So okay. Are you a person who like to wake up early in the morning or stay up late?
uh, Before 1 month ago, I keep wake up early in the morning, but since 1 week I keep sorry, but since 1 week I wake up late in the morning
How late?
because when I sleep and it's winter season, and when I keep sleeping in the blanket, so I feel lazy.
Yeah, makes sense. Everyone is feeling lazy in winter.
Yes.
Right. It's okay. So this is a better answer, right? This is a proper answer. So I think how I can help you in like future sessions is by focusing on sentence structure. Because even if you're speaking, your sentences are not getting structured in a proper way. You know what to say, okay, and you know how much you want to say also. But the way you package the whole thing matters. सिर्फ content matter नहीं करता, आप कैसे बोलते हो वो भी matter करता है.
Yes, you are right, madam.
Yeah, so we have to focus on that. Okay, so we'll focus on that, sentence structure, grammar also we'll have to brush up on, so that we know appropriately कैसे हम grammar use कर सकते हैं. Okay, that's
Okay.
something. Other than that, how English Yari works is कि every session that you book will be like this. 25-minute का session रहेगा आपके पास, and after the session there is a feedback time where I will give you feedback on how you performed, and if I can also give you homework and everything, so you can go back home, do those activities, whatever, and come back, and we can check how did you do, what is the progress. So we really focus on progress and proper visible improvement. So हर हफ्ते we can see कि आप कितना improve कर रहे हो करके. That's something we'll be focusing on. Okay, so over here we focus on practical learning and not just theory. हम सिर्फ theory नहीं सिखाएंगे आपको, proper learning, practical learning, so that आप real life में you can use these words.
Okay, madam, I will do. And madam, you also know Hindi very well. You also know Hindi very well.
Yeah, I am from Pune, I know Hindi.
Oh, so madam, how old are you?
I am 25.
Oh, I'm 18 years old only.
Okay, you have a long time to do it. So
Okay.
start practicing now.
Okay, madam, whenever I want to learn, then I will connect with you again on this application.
Definitely.
Okay.
Okay, you can book more sessions, and
Okay.
we will help you learn. There are other tutors also if you want to check them out. Zaruri nahi ki you will have to book me only, but I'm happy if you book me. Okay?
Because it was nice talking with you, that's why I'm saying to you like this to connect.
Okay. Yes, definitely. It was lovely talking to you too, and I hope I get to see you again.
Okay.
Okay? All the best. Have a lovely day, and I'll see you soon.
Okay, madam, have a nice day too.
Yes, thank you. Bye bye.